Hey there folks, Nick here. Welcome back to the channel. I know my face is probably out of frame, but my face is not the subject for today, because today I'm doing a bit of welding practice because I have a little project that I want to make this weekend, and it's been a minute since the last time I welded. So I figure good opportunity to get some practice in, seeing as I've got everything set up here. I do have an actual welding table that I built a long time ago, in the shed. However, I don't want to do it in the shed because the lighting's not very good in there. And it's a bit of a mess where my welding table is. So, my safety equipment is all on. Hopefully you can still hear me. Dexterity's not fantastic with the old welding gloves on. Let's give this a go. Alright. There we go. What's going on here? Something's definitely not right. Oh wow, this is set to 9. No wonder it feels like I'm getting flashed. Those are some average looking welds. Got some more amps now. Alright. Too many amps for that little stick. Let's grab a bigger stick. See what my booger welding can do. Alright. Doesn't help that this is all rusty. Alright, apparently that circuit can't support a welder. Let me find a new circuit. Alrighty, new circuit found. Buzz box turned back on. Let's de-weld that. Pull it back down and keep welding this little coupon up. All right. There we go. That's actually not a terrible weld. Give you a closer up look at that. Ignore the little bit of slag on the right hand side there. That's from the tack I put on. I'll snap that off. But this is, I'm just making a little spacer at the moment. You'll understand why. But let's a little bit more practice. Alright, let's get some practice in. Alrighty, so ignore the booger hole at the end there. I guess hovering over the top like you saw probably in the arc shot. Not the best idea in the world, but that's okay. The rest of that weld looks pretty good. It's pretty well cut into the subsurface, despite obviously there was no groove cut, no bevel cut on that join there between the two coupons. That one there being just the first one, just to see how I was going. Very raised, I was moving too quickly and had too long of an arc there. Here, as you can see, I started off with a fairly long arc and then flattened out. Got it a bit nicer, and towards the end there I actually ended up with a nice weld bead. I think at least it'll hold stuff together, and that's all I need it to do, is hold stuff together for what I'll be making. So yeah, that might just be about it. Obviously I'm just welding on crappy old steel here. Nothing special about it, hasn't been cleaned up, hasn't had the surface ground or anything like that. Just is what it is, bits of steel from in the shed. In the next episode of Nick's DIY though, The next episode of Nick's DIY, though, you will be getting something of a treat, as I am going to be making a bit of yard art. So if that sounds something like you'd be interested in, leave a like on this video and smash subscribe so you can be notified. That will be coming out soon. For now, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.
Jazz Club.